और इस चौके के साथ निफ्टी 18,000 के उस पार चला गया है। 18,002 पर खेल रहा है निफ्टी। दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू स्टॉक मार्केट्स विद केआर। दिस इज योर होस्ट फॉर स्विंग ट्रेडिंग एनालिसिस ऑन अ वीकली बेसिस। यू आर टॉकिंग एंड विल निफ्टी क्रॉस 18,000 दिस वीक? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन। पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि क्या दशहरा के शुभ अवसर पर निफ्टी 18,000 को टच करने वाला है, उसके ऊपर जाने वाला है, या वापस लुढ़क के 17,700 के आसपास आने वाला है। अगर आपको इस बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो प्लीज गो बैक एंड वॉच द अर्लियर वीडियो विच हैज बीन रिलीज टुडे, and that is what is going to give you some sort of indication of as to where it may move on 11th October 2021 and in the following days. Well, in this episode, we will look at the swing trading opportunities that are available in the market, even when the market has closed at an all time high, just below 17,900. So let's quickly look at the sectors. The intent, as it is very clear here, you can pause the video to read what I have written, एंड लेट्स क्विकली गो बैक टू द सेक्टर्स। मेरे हिसाब से सेक्टर्स में खाली ये तीन ही है जो अच्छी एंट्री आपको दे सकती है: ऑटोज, मीडिया एंड पीएसयू बैंक। प्राइवेट बैंक इज ऑल्सो समवॉट, बट प्राइवेट बैंक थोड़ा 50-50 सॉर्ट ऑफ लग रहा है मुझे, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर। सो लेट्स लुक एट निफ्टी ऑटो एंड निफ्टी ऑटो। Look at this chart. It is super placed on the verge of a breakout, and that is why I have taken it. It all depends on whether Tata Motors news that came out on Friday, I think after market hours, how it is taken by the market. But there is a script, I think, which is listed in the recommend not recommendations but the ideas that I have seen. The next is media, nifty media. I will have to here it is, Nifty Media also all coming out of a long consolidation, breaking out, and this may test higher levels if it is able to cross this high. Let's see whether it is going to make it or not. Z and many other scripts that are in this pack, Sun TV may be there, but Sun TV is not moving that very quick. I think it is dependent on the sun, which is in Chennai. Not sure about that. PSU Bank, Nifty PSU Bank. PSU banks are in the news and it all depends. Yes, PSU Bank is, अगर आप देखेंगे तो over here is the breakout. If it may happen, RSI indicating that it is inching towards a breakout, but it all depends on the sentiment which is going to get created by HDFC Bank tomorrow, because it is very close to 1600 and it takes no time for HDFC Bank to just stumble a few points. But ICICI Bank is a bit stronger than HDFC Bank for now, and SBI also looks good. So PSU Bank, though ICICI and HDFC are not part of PSU, but they do affect the market sentiment. But PSU Bank is led by SBI, so hopefully it should go through. Now, this is not a very long list of things. I would like you to look at. Let us look at some different scripts. Bayer Crop, Bombay Burma or BBTC, and Bector Foods. Let's look at the three Bs: Bayer India, Bayer Crop Sciences. This is how it looks like. Now think why I would have thought of picking up this stock. Picking up money, I may not actually buy this script. As you know, I have already made it clear in my notes that I am not a SEBI registered advisor or anything like that. This is purely for information, educational, and learning purpose only. Then Bector, Mrs. Bector Foods. Bector Foods देखते हैं क्या करते हैं. Need I say more? एक, it is said that what chart can indicate 1,000 words in one line. Here is one candle which indicates not 1,000 words, but around 200, 300 words it can indicate if somebody wants to write an essay on Bector Foods. And then let's look at Bombay Burma, BBTC. BBTC, Bombay Burma Trading Corporation. Think why I would have put this in the list. You need to exercise your mind after having a Sunday siesta. And while you are enjoying this siesta, I am recording this video for you, your benefit. All right. So please do like, share, and subscribe. And there are not many scripts listed here, there are not many sectors listed here. So maybe we may see a profit booking. देखते हैं क्या होता है. And this week is going to be a short week because Dashera is on Friday, which is a holiday for the markets. Okay, friends, I wish you a great week and great swing on the way up in these scripts and stocks selected and traded and invested by you. And have a great time, friends. Have a great Dashera as well. Till we meet again. It's keep learning, keep implementing, and keep money making.